How to blend two images on Canva. First, you have to go to Canva and make sure to log into your profile to access more features. Once you've logged in, in order to create a design, just tap on create a design, and I'm just gonna choose a YouTube thumbnail for now. Or you can choose any of these for your preference. I'm just gonna choose this one, and it will create a blank canvas for me to work on. Now I'm just gonna add a photo right here. So if I go here, I want to blend, let's say, this and this image right here. First, I'm gonna take this image, delete this one, and fill out the page with this image like so. And once you have done that, what you want to do is go to the elements and search for gradient, white gradient. Ideally, here you will see different kind of gradients. All of these are for pro version, so you want to go to graphics, and as you can see, there are a lot of white gradients. You can use whatever these are here if you have the pro version, but if you're using a free version, you can just select some free gradients here, or you can just search for free right here, and it will show up a free version of gradient. So as you can see, I have found a gradient right here. I'm just gonna add this, rotate it 90 degrees, and just copy paste it. I'm just gonna duplicate. First, I'm going to increase the size of it so that the gradient looks large, like so. And I'm just gonna duplicate this. I can use the shortcut Control T, and you can adjust all of these while duplicating, like so. So to add depth, I have increased the gradients. So as you can see, on this side of the canvas, I'm going to add a new photo. So like here, once you do that, you can add another page and do this and do the same thing to another photo. So I'm just gonna go to elements and add the photo, this one. I'm gonna add it to the second page, not here. I'm gonna go down on the second page and add this here. And I'm gonna make a fit for this photo right here. Now, what I want to do is mirror all of these gradients. I'm just gonna copy it and paste it here, then flip this 180 degrees like so, and move it to this side of the screen. So I want the other photo to be on this side of the screen. Now what you want to do is download these images separately. So first you can download this image right here. You can right click and click on share, and then click on download. It will download as a PNG image, or you can choose as a JPEG and simply click on download. Now it will start downloading, and you can download the second image as well. So click on share, download, and then select your file type and download. Once you have downloaded the images separately, you want to upload them on Canva right here, and then drag the images and adjust the size. So you can adjust the size like so, and drag the other image as well from here, and adjust its size as well. So once you do this, you can increase the transparency of this image like this. It will look something like this, both of them blended. And now you want to download this image right here again. So just click on share, click on download, and simply download this image. After you have downloaded the image, you want to bring it to your new canvas. Now we're just going to make some minor adjustments so that the image looks nice. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is we are going to edit this image. So just tap on edit image and it will open up the edit section. You can go to adjust, and from here you can adjust the brightness a bit. You can decrease the brightness a bit, increase the contrast or decrease the contrast according to your preference, change the highlights, shadows, you can play around with it, and you can go to saturation and increase the saturation of this. You can increase the vibrance as well, and from here you can change the temperature like so, but it will be too much, so I don't recommend you use that. And once you do that, increase the saturations, a bit of vibrance, and a bit of light. So we're just going to increase the highlights and the contrasts like so. Now as you can see, the image now have been successfully blended, and that's how you can blend an image on Canva. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.